as I was saying before, the batteries went flat on me without any warning and shut the recording down. Got to plug the this back in. So I won't actually do that on the video now, but I'll do it later on because I've got something else I need to do off the video. Not because I don't want to show you, but because I've done it about 3 times already. So you have already seen it. So where is the connector? Here it is. So there's the power connector. And this has got to be connected up to a monitor and turned on, sorted out. So okay, so I don't think you need to see the rest of this. So once I'm all ready to go and check everything's working, I'll turn it back on. I'll record that for you. Okay, see you later, bye.